Welcome. My name is Michael Vandenbroek. Since 2005, I have taught thousands of participants working in the financial sector. Finance is not rocket science. My contribution is to make complex finance accessible to my course participants. This finance management bank course targets to grow your understanding of the business model of banks, to support your career in the banking industry. Course completion can also benefit professionals that work in other financial institutions, such as pension funds, insurance companies, and investment firms. This course learns you about the finance risk management of the main core activity of large commercial banks, transformation. Since finance risk management is also the essential expertise of the Asset and Liability Committee members, this course is also an introduction to the asset and liability management of financial institutions. This course, Finance Management Banks as Risk Factories, addresses following main topics. In the first section, you are introduced to 3 of the 4 possible core activities of banks: payments, intermediation, and proprietary trading. This introduction prepares you for the main course topic, the financial risks of transformation. Transformation is the most profitable core activity of large commercial banks. But these transformation profits can only be realized by exposing the bank to potential losses of financial risks, such as liquidity risk, interest rate risk, and credit risk. In summary, banks are risk factories, and the main competence of bankers is to balance risk and return. You don't need financial knowledge or experience. Everybody can understand finance. It's not rocket science. If you are curious and want to have more information, please do not hesitate to access the free accessible course parts to consider if this course is for you. You can find this course on the Udemy platform by this link. You can also use the Udemy search tool by entering Finance Management Banks as Risk Factories. Thank you for viewing this short introduction.